Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So this is my hollyhock plant, which is more than 6 feet tall, and it's 13th of April today, but the plant is still blooming, though the flower size is getting smaller as the temperature is rising. So in this video I'm going to show you how to collect the hollyhock seeds. But before that, if you are new to this channel or yet not have subscribed to it, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon afterwards so that you'll get the first hand notification whenever I upload a new video. I'm fortunate enough to show you all the stages right from flower bud up to the seed pods. So these are the few seed pods. These will produce flower. So the next stage is flowering. These are all the bloomed flower. Next is when the flower is spent and actually pollinated. So you'll have this sort of seed pod, and this is the final seed pod which is completely dried and ready to be harvested. So I'll just pluck it off. Now just crush this pot in between your fingers. Clear off all the debris. These are the hollyhock seeds. So likewise I collect all the seeds and save them for the next season. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Write comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.